Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for honest and insightful reviews of the latest tech products. Today, we have a fantastic find for all you gaming enthusiasts out there: the Apevia Prism-PK Micro-ATX Gaming PC Cube Case. This case is packed with features, and we're going to dive deep into what makes it a great choice for your next PC build. Let's start with an overview of the Apevia Prism-PK. This Micro-ATX gaming PC cube case not only offers stunning aesthetics but also some impressive functionality. The first thing that catches your eye is the striking pink color, making it stand out from the crowd. It's available in other colors too, but today we're focusing on the pink variant. The dual-tempered glass panels on this case provide a clear view of your gaming setup from both sides, allowing you to showcase your components and RGB lighting. The Prism-PK comes with 5 120mm ARGB fans pre-installed. These fans provide excellent airflow and can be controlled via a button on the top panel. They can even sync with compatible motherboards for more advanced lighting effects. It supports Micro-ATX motherboards and has ample space for graphics cards up to 340mm in length and CPU coolers up to 155mm in height. Plus, there's room for water cooling with support for a 240mm radiator. Apevia has taken cable management into account, with plenty of space on the back side to hide and route cables neatly. This ensures not only a clean look but also optimal airflow. Now, let's break down the pros and cons of the Apevia Prism-PK. At $79.99, it's a budget-friendly option with premium features. The pink color and dual-tempered glass panels make it a visually appealing choice. 5 ARGB fans provide excellent airflow and RGB lighting options. Ample space for hiding and routing cables ensures a clean and organized build. It can accommodate a 240mm radiator for those looking to step up their cooling game. The included fans are powered via Molex connectors and controlled through a button on the case, which might not be ideal for some users. The top panel lacks a USB-C port, which could be a drawback for those with USB-C peripherals. In conclusion, the Apevia Prism-PK Micro-ATX Gaming PC Cube Case offers an attractive blend of style and functionality at an affordable price point. It's perfect for gamers looking to showcase their builds and enjoy effective cooling performance. While it has a few minor drawbacks, the overall package makes it a strong contender in the budget PC case market. That's all for today's product critique review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech product reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Until next time, happy gaming!